Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, the letter that we're going to learn today is letter O. Letter O makes this sound O, O, O. Now let's see. O like what? O like ostrich, like onion, octopus, orange, and owl. Now are you ready to play a game with me? Let's go. We have to listen to the words, and then if it starts with letter O, we have to make it tick inside the small box. Ready?
Octopus.
Octopus. Does it start with letter O? Yes, you're right. Let's make it tick. Now let's go for this picture.
Ball.
Let's listen again.
Ball.
Ball. Does it start with letter O? You're right. It doesn't. Now let's go for this picture.
Orange.
Orange. Does it start with O? You're right. We make it tick. Now let's listen.
Snake.
Snake. Do you hear O at the beginning? No, you're right. Let's go for this picture.
Omelette.
Omelette. Do you hear O at the beginning? Yes, you're right. Now let's go for the last picture.
October. October.
October. Does it start with O? Yes, you're right.
Fish.
Fish. Does it start with O? No. Now let's check our answers. Yes, you did a great job, my friends. I hope you enjoyed our game today. Wait for me next time for more games. See you later, alligators.